So, good evening. Myself Kashinath. So, working as senior lecturer in ECE, Government Polytechnic Sangareddy. So, the topic is the subject is data communication and computer networks. A topic is networking and LAN, and subtopic is computer network and its use. On completion of this period, you will be able to know about computer network and use of computer network. What is computer network? An interconnected collection of autonomous computers. So what is computer network? So it is a collection of autonomous computers connected interconnectedly. We are calling it as computer network. So there are any number of computers which are connected by means of any media. We are calling it as computer networks. So two computers are said to be interconnected if they are able to exchange the information. Means in computer network there may be any number of computers. If you are said to be interconnected, means they are able to exchange the information from one computer to another computer. So that type of networks we are calling it as computer networks. So system with one control unit and many steps is not a network. So only one system is having many number of one control unit with many number of steps is not a network. So there should be two computers interconnected by some external media link will be called as computer network. Not a single computer with its slaves is not called as a network computer network. So interconnection between these computers can be made with the copper wire, fiber optics, microwave links, or even communication satellites if the two computers are communicating over a continent or some thousand miles of distance. So networks, and we are going for use of computer networks. So use of computer network. So the first one is network for companies. So in companies, the main use of the computer network is resource sharing. So if programs and equipment and data will be there, that will be shared by this computer network. Means one computer at some place will be whatever the data program which will be written in one computer can be shared by that network, so that another computer will easily use, another user can easily use. He may be a 1,000 kilometers away also. That is the main advantage of the computer network. And high reliability. So reliability means if you are having some duplication of data, means we are replicating the important files and databases, so that if one machine crashes, there will be no problem for our data. So we are having some duplication of data, so high reliability can be expected. So this enables to continue operating in the face of hardware problem. So this is mainly used in military, banking, air traffic control, nuclear reactor safety. In this critical application, high reliability is very much needed. So network for companies. So saving money. So what is the use of computer network for companies? Saving money by using of small computers like client server model, scalability, ability to expand the network size if required, common communication medium, easy to transfer reports from one to another computer network, provide powerful communication medium. So this is the client and server model. So in this one, you will be having the client machine and client process will be there, and server machine, server process. Client will ask for a request to the server machine. Server will give back the reply to the client. So use of computer for the network for the people. So access the remote information. So if you want to access remote information, we can access by using the computer networks. Pay their electricity bill or telephone bill or any bill we can pay by using this computer network. managing their bank accounts. Now all the banks are core banking solution by this computer networks only, handling their investments electronically. All the investments now made by computer networks, UPI or anything by using these computer networks. Home shopping, that is online shopping, that is for Flipkart or Amazon, like that. Ability to inspect the online catalogs of companies. We can search for different companies for the shopping or applying jobs or anything. So we can search for the newspapers and read the newspapers, magazines, scientific journals, online digital library, and currently worldwide wide, which contains the information about the art, business, cooking, government, health, history, hobbies, recreations, science, sports, travel, and many more extra. So person to person communication and email. So second broad category of the computer networks. So person to person communication by using the electronic mail and video conferencing. So nowadays everybody is using this video conference due to the COVID pandemic. So this is possible only by these computer networks. Worldwide news groups, social medias and everything. So interactive environment. By using this computer and networks, we are having video on demand and OTT platforms that select any movie or TV program. Nowadays, Amazon Prime and this uh, Netflix or anything that will be possible by only computer networks. Live TV may also become interactive. The audience participating in quiz shows, choosing among contestants, and so on, like Big Boss shows, games and demand, three-dimensional real-time gaming, photographic quality moving image, use of computer network for social issues. So social category, so news groups, messages, high resolution photography, short video clips, bulletin boards. So these are the different uses of computer networks. So for companies, if you are going for companies, we'll be having the resource sharing, geography. So geography of the company means company will be having different branches. So we will be providing the resource sharing and high reliability replication of the data, saving money on the flow, client server model, scalability. Scalability means ability to increase the system performance gradually as the workload grows. And use of computer network for the people, access to remote information, person to person communication and email, and interactive environment. And for social issues, the use of computer network is news groups and bulletin boards. So a communication model basically looks like source requires. So source which generates the data to be transmitted. So one transmitter is required to transmit the whatever the source generated message that converts the data into transmittable signal. So whatever the source, that may be analog or digital, transmitter will convert the data into digital data. So transmission system, so which carries the data, receiver which will convert the received signal into data. So finally your destination takes the incoming data from the source. So it will be look like source, transmitters, so which will consist of source system, receiver destination is destination system, transmission system. So you will be having workstation where you are working, and modem which will convert whatever the data that is coming from your workstation to the, so it will work as modulator and demodulator, which will be sent through the transmission system, which may be your PSTN or satellite communication or microwave communication or anything. So it is again connected to modem, and finally your server now. So in this class you have learned about the computer network. What is computer network? It is an interconnected collection of autonomous computers. Is called computer network. So two computers are said to be interconnected. They are able to exchange the information. So computer networks are used by both companies and as well as individuals. Companies use networks for sharing software as well as hardware resources. Individuals use computer networks for accessing variety of information and entertainment resources. So dash are the rules So this is simple quiz on this computer networks. Dash are the rules that govern a communication exchange. Media, criteria, protocols, all of the above. Which is the answer? Protocols are the rules that govern the communication exchange. Dash is the physical path over which a message is travels. Media, criteria, protocols, all of the above. So which one? Media is the physical path over our message will travel. So computer networks are used in companies, people, social issues, all of the above. So definitely the answer is all of the above. So frequently asked question in this computer network are define computer network and state its use. Explain the use of computer network.